our beloved principal ma'am for her welcoming address.
And my dear students, today we shall witness mock parliament to be presented by the students of 8th and 9th class. Through these activities, they can hone debating and oratory skills. They can also improve their self-confidence, self-esteem, and mutual understanding. And most of all, arguing with conviction and putting forth their opinion. These kind of platforms are created in our school for the holistic development of every child. I thank the parents for supporting us for such endeavors and request them to continue their support in future also and recommend others to join our school and our family. As you know, parents, students support we have, for their student support, we have Byju's learning app, mentorship by the teachers to individual students, weekly tests, and also IIT classes. Various clubs are there which have made the students learn through various activities. So we are trying to create an overall development environment and learning environment to every student. So without further delay, let us begin. I would like to wish all the best to all the participants and teachers, and shall begin today's mock parliament, the youth parliament, where they are going to explain the parliamentary proceedings in this session. Thank you. Welcome to everybody once again.
The Parliament of India is a supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. It is a bicameral legislature House of People. The President in his role has full powers to summon and prorogue either houses or to dissolve Lok Sabha by the President to either houses known as Member of Parliament. Member of Parliament Lok Sabha are directly elected by Indian public voting at single member districts. The strength of 543 seats in Lok Sabha and 245 seats in Rajya Sabha, including the 12 nominees from the experts of different fields as he administers the affairs of states, and the main role of opposition party is to question the government of the day. A model parliament, also referred as a mock parliament, is a simulation of the often based upon Westminster parliamentary system. A mock parliament is usually held as an educational tool to promote understanding. The proposed law is called a bill. After the approval of President, it becomes a law and also called Act. Now you will see the main role of Parliament. I would like to invite the Speaker.
Members to take the oath or affirmation. Secretary General, please.
Kolkata South constituency of West Bengal will now take the oath or affirmation. Madam, do you want to take the oath or affirmation?
Oath, please.
In which language would you like to take the oath?
In English, please.
I, Sai Dikshita, had been elected as that I will bear the
true faith and elegance of the Constitution of the India as by the law established. Do swear in the name of the God that I will bear all the Constitution ideas and I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of the India, and that I will faithfully uphold the integrity of the India, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
ఎన్నుకోబడినందున చిత్తరీత్యా నిలుకోబడిన భారత సంవిధానం పట్ల యథాపరమైన భక్తి విశ్వాసం కలిగి ఎందునని భారతదేశపు సర్వసత్తాధికారతను అఖండతను సమర్థించుదనని నేను స్వీకరించబోయే కర్తవ్యములు శ్రద్ధాశక్తులతో నిర్వహించాలని దైవసాక్ష్య ఆత్మసాక్ష్య ప్రమాణం చేయుచున్నాను.
Next item in the list of business, arbitrary reference. Honorable members, as we meet in the Parliament as recently passed away, they are Ms. Sushma Swaraj ji and Mr. Arun Jaitley ji. In former External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj ji's passing away, India has lost a stalwart politician. Sushma Swaraj ji was a trailblazer in many ways and had many firsts to her name as a woman politician. From being the youngest cabinet minister at the age of 25 in Haryana in the Devil Lal Janata Party government, to being the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha in 2009, to being India's external affairs minister in 2014, Swaraj was an achiever. Arun Jaitley, being a lawyer by profession, proved to be one of the most important leaders in the present government. He was the go-to troubleshooter in the cabinets. While his political career was ripplet with multiple ups and downs, he will be the best remembered for the reforms such as GST, insolvency, bankruptcy code, implementing Jan Dhan, and carrying through Aadhaar-based direct benefits and as such as 55 schemes.
Across party lines as well as to the women of her state Haryana, notorious for its skewed sex ratio. The fact that she has achieved is a statement of her ability, willpower and endurance. And also I have lost a valued friend, that is Arun Jaitley, whom I have had the honor of knowing for decades. His insight on issues and nuanced understanding had a very few parallel. He lined very well, leaving us all with innumerable happy memories. We will miss him.
Came under criticism from many leading opposition politicians for being merely a glorified foreign secretary. राज्यसभा में पक्ष और विपक्ष में रहते उनके दिए भाषण हमेशा चिरंतन रहेंगे.
To the House, the colleagues, the new minister, Mr. Vinay Kumar, Minister of Railways. Ms. Nita, Child and Women Welfare Minister.
This and empowerment, be pleased to state why the crime rate is not decreased and what is the percentage of India's crime rate. Is it good or bad when compared to our neighboring countries?
2%. Previously, it was 12.3 and which we have made it down for 9.1. And here we talk about our ranking. It's 84th of the whole world. And previously it was 83rd, which was not good for our country and our country image in front of the whole world. And when we compare it with our neighborhood countries, first let us compare it with Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's ranking was 74th, and I can proudly say that our department had done something by which we are improved. And here we go for comparison with Pakistan. Pakistan is in the worst situation. It is on the 48th number of the whole world. And I can proudly say that we have done something. We have improved and we will do. And in front, we talk about women safety. We have provided more than 4 lakh active personnel to make women feel safe in and out of her house. We also provided spies to inspect women's safety in India. Government is providing more funds to improve in these cases. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, will the Ministry of Animal Husbandry plastic production thereof?
NDDB has been advised to conduct a study estimating the present demand of milk and milk products and its forecasting in India under Centrally Sectory Scheme, National Dairy Plan 1. As per the National Action Plan, prepared with inputs from NDDB, the growth in milk production would keep pace with the growth in demand. Thank you.
संरक्षक मंत्री से एक दूध की पैकेट की कीमत क्या है?
नहीं, आप ऐसे प्रश्न पूछ नहीं सकते.
अध्यक्ष जी, हमारे मंत्री जी जानना चाहते हैं एक दूध की पैकेट की कीमत क्या है?
नहीं, आप ऐसे प्रश्न बिल्कुल नहीं पूछ.
Judge is pleased to state
whether the government has reviewed and assessed the performance of Panchayat Raj institutions in our country. If so, say us the details and outcome thereof, including various deficiencies and loopholes were noticed in the functioning of Panchayat Raj institutions of our country.
We had been ruling the functioning and performance of panchayats was noticed, and it was found that many core aspects of Panchayati Raj like availability of manpower and infrastructure at panchayat level is properly done. The Panchayati Raj institutions have made some fundamental positive changes which made people economically, socially and politically empowered. The movement led by Balwant in 1957 had succeeded in utilizing local initiatives and in creating institutions that ensure improving economic and social conditions in rural areas.
Followed by Ms. Snigdha.
Honorable Speaker, will the Finance Minister for the economical slowdown and what measures did the government took to improve the economics in the future?
Minister of Finance, Mr. Parag Sharma.
In many industries because of the technology and consumer preferences. As you all know that India's population is increasing day by day, because of which this may face the problem in the production of goods and technology in the industries. And because of the increase in the population, this may face the scarcity of goods. And nowadays the foreign countries like America, Iraq, Iran, etc. they are selling their goods in our country at high price, because of which we cannot buy these goods. This may slow down the economic development, and because of the financial stress among the rural household, and while credit crunch among the non-bank financial institutions may increase or decrease the economy. Thank you.
Inflation in the country has been increasing day by day. Even the price of basic goods and services are rising. Example, petrol, onion, etc. So when can we expect the prices to go down?
International products. When supply exceeds, then the prices slow down. In recent year, OPC have supplied them more oil in Europe and China.
See, Minister, how the rates of one ఉల్లిపాయ వంటనే కూడా తింటున్నాం.
Child Development has 6 autonomous organizations, and they are National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, National Commission for Women, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Central Adoption Resource Agency, Central Social Welfare Board, and Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. And all these organizations are working to their best to give proper nutrition to women and child, to improve nutritional outcomes for women, children, and lacting mothers. POSHAN stands for Prime Minister Overarching Scheme for Holistic Nutrition. NNM, National Nutrition Mission, was launched by our Prime Minister Mr. Piyush Sharma on 8 March 2018 on the occasion of International Women's Day from Chinchuru in Rajasthan. Vice President launched the Bharatiya POSHAN Anthem, which aims towards taking message of making India malnutrition free to all the corners. The anthem was conceptualized by our Union Ministry, Women and Child Development, and has been penned.
Being safe in the society present is, what is your response, madam?
Steps to control this such all incidents. And crime rate has increased. How can you ask me that question and what will happen? And we are taking action on it. We are trying to control all incidents, loss of women's helplines, etc.
Your helplines does not seem to be functioning properly.
No, ma'am, this is wrong information. This helpline number had helped many of the women's lives and saved theirs.
Honorable Madam Speaker, I am pleased to state that Committee of Evolution of and Education states that there should be no detention of students. Creating an independent state school regulatory authority that prescribes the basic uniform standards to be followed by all the government and private schools. And today's India's literacy rate is 69.1. In urban, it's 79.5, and in rural, it's 64.7. Thank you.
On parents and employers who force children to work.
Free to educate children, and this helps the parents to encourage the children to learn. And midday meals and many other schemes
My question is not about midday meals. My question is
Child Labour Prohibition Act and National Policy on Child Labour are working effortlessly to stop child labour. Fines have been imposed on those who encourage child labour from 20,000 to 50,000 and imprisonment for 6 months to 1 year. And if the same happens for the second time, then the imprisonment would be for 3 years. And we have many laws which helps us in cancelling the license of those who encourage child labour.
Will be pleased to state वह किसान ही जो बड़ी मेहनतदारी में वर्ष में फसल उगाकर शरद में फसल काटता है. The detail of financial assistance provided by the government for setting up cold storage facilities.
हमें कुछ बेहतरीन आइडिया यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं. Our government is implementing various schemes under which financial assistance is provided for setting up of cold storages throughout the country, including rural areas. These cold storages are set up for bulk storages of crops in rural and urban areas. The Department of Agriculture Cooperation and Farmers Welfare is implementing a mission for integrated development of horticulture for setting up of cold
storage facilities. If so, the details there are.
In this part of the country and enhanced processing levels, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries is implementing a mega food park scheme for providing modern culture facility.
Because of crop failure, many farmers are dying. What government is doing? Nothing.
To reduce suicides attempted by the farmers, our government is providing them loans with less rate of interest.
क्या मैम आप encourage कर रहे हैं farmers को suicide के लिए? मैम मेरे को answer चाहिए.
To incentivize the developers of the national highways for early completion of the construction project.
Our government incentivizes developers of national highways for early completion of construction projects through multiple initiatives, such as contracting provisions are to be payable to the contractors as bonus for early completion of construction projects. Further, our government has enhanced quality of project preparation through enabling reforms for expeditious land acquisition, better quality of DPR preparation through use of advanced technology, and monitoring and supervision on a continuous basis are also facilitating faster project completion. Our government has also approved an exit policy that enables all the private developers to take out their entire equity and exit all their operational BDT projects 2 years start from their operations in a uniform manner. The proceeds from the sale of such divested equity may be first used in incomplete NHI projects.
That the companies are allegedly compromising with the quality of road construction in order to finish the projects before the targeted time, and if so, the details thereof and the steps being taken by the government to ensure the quality of national highways companies of government.
Madam, how you are saying that we registered so many complaints? How can you deny it?
Sir, we haven't registered any such complaints. If such complaints come to the notice of government, then we will definitely take action towards it. It is the bus fares. It is mandatory.
Whether the railways is in the process of preparing a master plan or the commercial use of the surplus land all disposed all over the country.
Do not have any surplus land to its requirements. Railways have, however, yet to generate the income group from the internal sources taken up by the commercial use of the utilization of some of the railway lands or airspace, which is not needed for the immediate
facilities. There is the light to reach the destination.
It is official in the next session. Definitely will see into this matter.
Change leads to state. As we know that pollution in Delhi increasing day by day, so what steps are taken by the government to control the pollution?
In Delhi, our government has implemented many schemes such as odd even road rationing scheme. Under this scheme, licensed plate numbers ending with odd and even numbers are allowed only on alternative days from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. except on Sundays. The theme of the scheme is to cut down regular traffic and air pollution by half. The people who are going to violate the rules are fined with 2,000 and extra buses. Metro frequencies were increased to make the scheme successful.
The situation is in 6 other cities. Out of the world 10 most polluted cities, 7 are in India. What is your answer to it, sir?
Pollution all over the India. We are also trying to implement odd even road rationing scheme all over the India.
We are trying to control the limitation of vehicle production, and our government has implemented many social forestry schemes like Swachh Bharat and Harita Haram. Environment has to be taken collectively working, and our government needs support from you and as well as from people so that we will be achieve the best. Let us join our hands and make environment and clean and green.
The government purpose to adopt IT solution in healthcare sectors? If so, the details thereof.
Practically taken measures to adopt IT solutions in existing health infrastructure in meeting the challenges of healthcare delivery, especially in rural and remote areas to ensure continuation of care. Use of information and communication technology in health, that is, health is being promoted in the direction of reaching the services to citizens and citizen empowerment through information. The Digital India program is a major step in which following four main initiatives are being considered: online medical consultation, online medical records, online medicine supply, and pan-India exchange of patient information. We are also opening IT hub in Nizamabad.
Of common people by allowing MNC
Answer for that. Overall, for development of our country, our government is implementing and coming up with new.
Madam, may I? Yes, please. Whether the government details thereof.
Courts, which were finally judged by 5-judge bench of Supreme Court of India, where the court directed as follows. The central government, within 3 months, formulates a scheme under Section 6 and 7 of the acquisition of certain area at Ayodhya Act 1993. The scheme will eviscerate the setting up of trust and further make provisions for the functioning of trust, including its management and construction of temple in Ayodhya. The government in these matters performs its obligation as per well-laid constitutional norms and also on the directions of Supreme.
Human harassment cases are increasing. Why there is delay in getting punishment to those victims?
Implementing many schemes to save girl child. Our government is so alert about women and also giving severe punishments to the culprits of human harassment cases.
India, take measures like covering your mouth while coughing and sneezing, maintain good hygiene constantly, wash your hands with soap and clean it with sanitizer.
Essential grants. We have been asking for many things since last 6 years, including our rightful shares on AP Reorganization Act, but none of them was mentioned. We have been asking for national status for Kaleshwaram project and also 3 areas to be declared as industrial corridors, that is Hyderabad to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Warangal and Hyderabad to Nagpur. We had hoped that this issue will come up during this session, but the center did not accommodate there either.
Karnataka and Telangana, as the processor transfer, devolution and revenue gap grants in the 15th Financial Commissions recommended a special grant rupees 723 crores for the Telangana state. However, the center stating that it introduces a new principle. This is a bit usual, as there is a tradition of automatically accepting the Financial Commission's recommendation on tax devolution and grants.
In Nizamabad, being largest producer of India, as promised by our MP, why we are not being granted with National Turmeric Board, so that our farmers can be helped by minimum support price.
Nizamabad, particularly turmeric and chili, we have decided that we will strengthen the activities in Telangana, particularly in the areas around Nizamabad, Adilabad and Karimnagar. The regional office and extension center, who will now be headed by the deputy direct level officer, who will look after the activities of promoting exports and product the quality of the spices in the region. Thank you.
Honorable Minister of Social Justice, Mr. Narayan Ji, to introduce the bill.
Citizen and parents is an act, but as the time has passed, we have to make some changes in this act and make it more powerful and reachable to every senior citizen and parent of India who is harassed by their children. Objective of this act provides inexpensive and speedy procedure to claim monthly maintenance for their parents and grandparents, and also relative of the senior citizen's age. The main attraction of this act, there are provisions to protect the life and property of such senior citizens. This act also provides setting up of old age homes, maintenance to indigent senior citizens and parents. Previously, children include son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter, but does not include a minor. But in this amendment, we have changed it. Here, the maintenance will be done by the hire, whomever he is, son, daughter, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, anyone. But the hire is enjoying property, he has to maintain the parent or senior citizen. Maintenance include food, clothing, residence and medical treatment. Parent means father or mother, biological or adoptive, stepfather or stepmother. Whether father or mother is not a senior citizen, even though they can take the advantage of this act. Secretary General, papers are laid on the table. The higher means the person who is enjoying the property. He may be son-in-law, daughter-in-law, anyone, but who is enjoying the property is an higher. Higher was not taking responsibility of senior citizen and parent. He was punished only for 2 to 3 months imprisonment. But now it has changed. We have done it 2 to 3 years and fine of nearly 1 to 3 lakh rupees.
Can we include Delhi High Court judgment, that is, the adults who live in their parents' house and abuse them can be evicted from their property?
We should include these Delhi High Court judgment points in our amending bill. That is, parents can evict their son or daughter from their property or ancestral property when they are abused by their children. The plea by a senior citizen for eviction of his daughter-in-law for harassing him and filing criminal case against him and his family members has been dismissed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. In such cases, it can harm senior citizens.
Importance of amending this bill.
Issue is of the first case under this act was filed on November 2011 by Selvai, age 84, and Arulamma, age 80, of Tuticorin. They filed this case against their son and daughter-in-law for harassing them from their residence and taking away their 2 homes and golden jewelry. Thank you.
Of the Parents and Senior Citizens 2007. Those who are in favor will please say aye.
Aye.
No. I think the ayes sound is more. I think the ayes have it. Adopted. Motion moved. The amendment of bill is passed. The House is adjourned for the next
students for their energetic as well as enthusiastic performance. Students, co-curricular activities are an essential part of life of students in school. Co-curricular activities are like this mock parliament, etc. They actually complemented the co-curricular activities and groom the students in the art of living and working together. They are the true and political experiences gained by students by their own learnings. A proverb states that, teach me and I will forget. Show me and I might remember. Involve me and I will never forget. So these co-curricular activities are helping విద్యార్థి ఈ co-curricular యాక్టివిటీస్ వల్ల విద్యార్థి తనలో ఉన్న ప్రతిభను చూపుతున్నారు. అంటే వాళ్ళకి ఆ ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తే కానీ వాళ్ళ ప్రతిభను బయటకు పెట్టలేరు. సో అందుకే మా స్కూల్లో ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఎక్కువగా నిర్వహించబడుతున్నాయి. వీటి ద్వారా ప్రతి విద్యార్థి విషయాలను మించి నేర్చుకుంటారు. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడైతే ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతారో దాంట్లో వాళ్ళు దాన్ని ఎక్కువగా నేర్చుకోగలుగుతారు. అంతేకాకుండా విద్యార్థుల్లో సామాజిక నైపుణ్యం, నైతిక విలువలు, మేధో నైపుణ్యాలు కూడా వెలికి తీసుకురావచ్చు. So we involved them in this mock parliament session. As we have seen in this mock parliament, passed a bill that is Protection of Senior Citizens and Parents Amendment Bill based on present society. The problems has been facing by parents and senior citizens, and also they are not being protected by their children. So to bring awareness among the people and to ensure better care and maintenance for the parents and senior citizens, our students showed interest to take this subject to address in the mock parliament according to their ideas. Really, it is a wonderful performance. I am very thankful to our students. So now, I extend our sincere thanks to our correspondent madam, Prasanna Kumari madam, for being as our backbone in our endeavor and constantly motivating and inspiring us and our students. A warm thanks go to our principal madam, Suparna Dhar madam garu, for her vision and commitment to work and its execution. Next, our special thanks goes to our parents. The success of every institution rests on love and support of parents. We are indeed lucky to get your support. So thank you so much for making this program a grand success. Finally, thank you to all our students who have put put up this grand event in a successful manner, putting your best foot forward with full of energy and enthusiasm.
Round of applause all together. I'd like to thank the teachers, social studies teachers. They've done their best. They have worked really hard to train these children. They have actually covered all the issues and the students have performed remarkably well. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the teachers and all the participants. Thank you for putting up such a successful program. Thank you. And I would also take this opportunity to thank management for making so much of arrangement, and this is what the support is to the students. So parents, this is what you need to notice, that the students are given such platforms to perform so well and develop their skills. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For national song.
I'm very thankful to our media as well as supporting staff. Really, with the support of our management and our school staff, we can perform such type of activities very well in our school. Special thanks for PT sir, really hard worker, and he's putting
బర్డ్స్లో మాక్ పార్లమెంట్ జరుపుకోవడం మాకెంతో ఆనందాన్ని ఇచ్చింది. ఈ మాక్ పార్లమెంట్లో పిల్లలు సామాజిక స్ఫూర్తిని కలిగించే చాలా అంశాలను ప్రస్తావించారు. ముఖ్యంగా సీనియర్ సిటిజన్షిప్ యాక్ట్ పాస్ చేయడం పిల్లలకి చాలా దాని గురించి తెలవడం చాలా ముఖ్యమని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇందులో వాళ్ళకి సామాజిక స్ఫూర్తి అండ్ రాజకీయంగా కూడా కొంచెం వాళ్ళకి లీడర్షిప్ లక్షణాలు అలవడతాయని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఈరోజు టీచర్స్ అండ్ పిల్లలు చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా పార్లమెంట్లో ఎలా ఉండాలో ప్రతి ఒక్క విషయాన్ని గమనించి అలాగే ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని జరపడం నాకెంతో సంతోషాన్ని ఇచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఈరోజు ఈ మాక్ పార్లమెంట్ ఎందుకు నిర్వహించామంటే పిల్లల్లో వాళ్ళ నైతిక విలువలు పెంపొందించడానికి, అంతేకాకుండా మేధోశక్తి ఏదైతే నైపుణ్యం ఉందో వాళ్ళలో అదన్నీ వెలికి తీయడానికే మేము ఈ మాక్ పార్లమెంట్ నిర్వహించాము. ఈ మాక్ పార్లమెంట్ చేయడం వల్ల వాళ్ళు దాంట్లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి ఏదైతే పని చేస్తున్నారో అది వాళ్ళు ఎల్లకాలం గుర్తుంచుకోగలుగుతారు. అంతేకాకుండా సొసైటీలో ఏం జరుగుతుంది అనేది వాళ్ళకి తెలవడానికి ఇలాంటి మాక్ పార్లమెంట్ వాళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే ఆలోచన జ్ఞానం ఉందో దాని పరంగా వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే అసెంబ్లీలో జరుగుతుందో అది ఆలోచన శక్తితో వాళ్ళు ఈ అసెంబ్లీలో డిస్కస్ చేశారు. సో దానివల్ల వాళ్ళకి చాలా అనుభవంలోకి వచ్చింది. ఏం జరుగుతుంది అసెంబ్లీలో, ఎలా డిస్కస్ చేస్తారు, ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చనింగ్ అడుగుతారు, అన్నీ కూడా వాళ్ళకి తెలిసినాయి. సో వీఆర్ సో హ్యాపీ ఫర్ కండక్టింగ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ కరెస్పాండెంట్ అండ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, with our staff as well as our student support.